National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Marquette County in south-central Wisconsin until 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:49 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Westfield, or 14 miles northeast of Wisconsin Dells, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Westfield, Lawrence, Pequawkee, Oxford, Endeavor, Brickville, and Glen Oak. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.